Today is Saturday, December 14th, 2024. We're down at the Jackson-Webster trailhead. It's a little bit after 10:15-ish. Got some blue skies and some clouds. As we drove in, presidentials, especially the southern presidentials, were pretty socked in. We're gonna go up Jackson. I think we're just gonna do an out and back on Jackson. We'll see. It's cold. It's 16 right now at the car. I think the temperature on the summit is going to be 7 at 11 o'clock and 12 at 2 o'clock. Wind chills are going to be like minus single digits, 17-mile-an-hour sustained winds. So just a little hike we're going to do with our friends. I don't know how much I'm going to shoot, and I sure hope we get some views. We should at least have the side of the Willie Range, I would expect. But maybe things will clear out by the time we get up there. We're about 1.7 miles up the Jackson side. There's a little bit of flowing water. Spikes are sufficient. You can see the trail's really packed. Getting a little bit of snow on the trees now, and blue skies. We're up at the summit. It looks like there's some footprints over there. I don't know if they actually went. Maybe they were confused, but this is the way to go out if you want to go to Webster. I don't know if anyone's really gone that way. We're kind of south. I didn't zoom in. Chicorowa, the Sandwich Range. I should stop and zoom in. Kerrigan. Ooh, cold face. In the foreground, the Willie Range. Behind that, the Bonds and the Twins. And down over here, our sign. Mount Washington Resort is down here. And then the summit is over. There's a bunch of people at it, so I'll walk over there, but I think I'll stop this and I'll just shoot a quiet video from over there. The summit here. We are down at Silver Cascade. It's looking pretty cool. Still have the log there, but at least now it's covered so you don't see it so much. And if you look around the edge, you can see where we had that big rainstorm a couple days ago, and the water level had risen and it froze, and then it drained down and it's all cracked. Pretty cool. All right. And then heading up that way takes you to Webster. It looks like people have been up there today. Not going there today though. I'm standing on ice with water running under it, so hopefully it will not crack. And then this is looking down across the way to the edge of the Willie Range. We are back at the trailhead, which is right behind this lady. Nice cleared now. Parking lot is clear. And there's plenty of parking still. It's just crazy. You can park right along the side of the road. Look, there's nobody parked. Crazy. All right, looking down at... There we go. All set. That was a little under 5 miles. We just pulled over at the viewpoint on the way north on 302. There's the Mount Washington Resort, and then Jefferson, Clay, and Washington, kind of in the cloud. Monroe in the center right now. I don't know if that's Little Monroe or Franklin. I think that's Franklin, and then Eisenhower and Pierce, and 302.